React libraries to level up your projects. The following are the top 5 React libraries for developers to help you do your job faster. 1. TanStack React Query. Put simply, React Query makes fetching data in React a way better experience, but it's not a data fetching library per se. Instead, it is a state management library that deals with asynchronous server state. 2. Zustand. Every React developer knows the pain involved in sharing state across your application. When first encountered with the problem, you inevitably end up prop drilling the data across the component tree. 3. Framer Motion. Animations are one of the best ways to give your React application a modern and polished feel, but this isn't easy. Using CSS animations is tricky and can result in a lot of code. 4. Class Variance Authority. Tailwind CSS has quickly risen to become the prime way of styling React applications, but building reusable UI elements with it can be a challenge. Say you create your own custom-styled button using Tailwind. 5. Radix UI. If you like to build fully custom-styled interfaces but don't want to deal with the intricacies of developing high-fidelity accessible UI components from scratch, Radix UI is for you. Happy working! In the description below, you will find all links. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you at the next one.